What's up, everybody? It's Catfish, and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, as y'all see behind me, I'm at the car wash. Yeah, I just came back from Stuntfest, so I'm gonna show you guys the best way to get all these bugs off of your windshield. Y'all see we at the car wash, my favorite place. Yeah, but yeah, guys, just came off the highway this morning. You guys are not gonna believe how many bugs are on old girl, man. This is ridiculous, man. We were actually hitting bugs big as, look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at all them bugs. Look at all the bugs. Look at all the bugs. All in the corners, everywhere. That's crazy. Look at this. All on the mirrors. Look at the side of the mirrors. Look at all these bugs. Look, look, look. Y'all see them? Look at all them bugs. The whole license plate covered. All up under there. Look. Look. Yeah, when you drive at night, guys, this is what you get. But the main focus is the windshield. Look at all this. And when you drive at night, you never, ever turn the windshield wipers on to get the bugs off, because it's going to make it worse. So I'm going to show you guys right now. It's another Master Detailer's tip. But check this out. I want y'all to see this one bug over here. Look, look, we still got a remnant of a bug right there. Look how big that boy is. Look, he wedged. Look, he wedged in between the windshield and the strip. Yeah, that's kind of crazy, guys. But this is the best way to do it. You take some glass cleaner. You spray it on your window like so. And then you take a straight razor blade like this. Y'all see it? And then, y'all hear that crackling? This is how you clean bugs off your windshield. Y'all see this? That's how you do it. For you guys that don't know, I own a detail business with me and my son, Master Detailers. Go check out my page on Instagram. Yes, this is how you do it, guys. You get all the bugs off before you wash the car. See this? As you see, most of the bugs are gone. At least on this side of the windshield. Okay? Now, come to the other side. Do the same thing. You get your window cleaner, spray it. Now watch this. Y'all see that big bug right there? Bam. Gone. Come over here. Then you go up like this. Do the whole windshield just like I'm doing it. Hey? All them big bugs will be gone. Then you don't have to struggle to get them off when you spraying the car down. Yeah, you don't get them all. You hear that clicking, clicking? That's them bugs coming off. Yeah, I see it. Yep. This is how I do it. When you, especially after a trip. I just came back from Stuntfest. This is Sunday afternoon. We got in about 12:30 last night. Yeah, I see it. All you do, take one of these razor blades and go over the whole windshield just like that. There's no bugs. I see. But you see, there's no bugs on the razor blade at all. Just the window cleaner. Can't do that for the front though. The front you actually gotta wash, and this thing is bugged up for real. I ain't never had this many bugs on this car in my life, and I had this car 15 years for real. Look all on the side of the mirror. Okay. All right, guys, I'll get back with y'all in a second after I wash these off. I'm gonna wash the whole car, and then I'll get back with you guys and let you see what it looks like. Hey guys, we back. We rinsing off right now. We rinsing off. I'm finna put the spot-free rinse on it. Yeah. Look at the window though. After I did with the razor blade and the window cleaner, now look at the front. No bugs. Y'all see that? All the bugs are gone. Yeah, I'm hitting it with the spot-free rinse right now. All the bugs gone. I didn't have to wash the car, scrub it or nothing. It wasn't dirty, just the front of it was dirty. So yeah. Yeah, we rinsing it off. Then we gonna go through the dry. But I ain't gonna take you in the dry with me. I'm just letting y'all see how she cleaned up. We done. Now we gonna walk around it. Y'all see that ceramic coating? What it does? Look at that. Look. Watch this. All the water gone. You got a dryer over there. I'm gonna go through the dryer. Y'all see the window? The windshield? No bugs. That little step right there before you wash your car take care of a lot of your problems. All I'm gonna do is go through the dryer, and then once I go through the dryer, I'll get back to you guys. I'll see you guys in a second. Well, guys, look at this. I just went through the dryer, and I'll be able to dry this car off with a face towel. Look. See how much? It's not even hardly no water. There's a little bit of water right there on the windows. But look at the rest of the car. There's no water on the top. No water on the trunk. No water on the back window. It's a little water right there. A little water right there. Little bit of water on the back of the trunk, and that's it. Like I say, guys, that's what ceramic coating gonna do for you. Look, the whole car is almost dry. If I really didn't want to dry it off, I wouldn't have to dry it off at all. But I'm gonna dry it off, and then I'll be back. Yeah, guys, this is the finished product. Yeah, she all cleaned up. Yeah, I saw all them bugs. Remember how many bugs was on here? She all, uh-oh, got a little one right there. Got another one right there, but other than that, y'all saw all the bugs. She cleaned up real good. And guys, I did not put any tire shine on my tires. That's the tire shine that's been on there for the last week. Drove down to the Stunt Fest with that tire shine. Washed it at the Stunt Fest, same tire shine. No new tire shine, guys. That's the tire shine that I make myself. I got a secret recipe that I use. I take two existing products that's on the market, mix them together. That's how you get the tire shine. That old girl is, now she back to normal now. 190E, AMG 92. She'll be 30 years old next year. Yeah, she look real good. You guys that's not following me, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Catfish Corner. Like, square, subscribe. And if you're not following me on IG, follow me on IG at Master Detailers. Yeah, it's just a little video I wanted you to show you guys the best way to clean off a lot of bugs off your windshield, especially after a long road trip like we just came off of. And you see they came right off. I mean, they probably would have came off with the spray, but I always do that because you can get them all. Well, I got them all off. This thing, you saw it, this thing was covered in bugs. And it didn't take me but about 15 minutes at my normal spot where I always wash my cars. The car wash. Yeah, I see it right there. It's my favorite spot. I run into a lot of cars up here. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this edition of Catfish Corner DIY. And just like that, this video is over. Peace.